Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I welcome you, and today is just a short video of what's been happening in here. I rewatched Heather's at Ruby&Pearlxo, her wraparound pockets. I don't know if you remember these, but sometimes when I'm just searching for some inspiration, I'll go back to watch videos that I've already watched, and you might come up with a new idea. These can be put in your journals. I made these thin. I don't know how wide I made them, because I make some thin journals. They're almost 3 inches. So wide, and then obviously you make them any length you want, but it's such an easy project. And then I printed some of Heather's tags, and I'll try to list below the kits I used, and then I just made the pockets the way she had on her video, and then I added some of the pressed flowers and some tape, some stained tape. I love the way these turned out. I plan on putting those on a page, so I didn't decorate the backs. And then this is one of Heather's kits and her tags. And you could put more than one tag in there. Now this one I'm going to make floating, so you can see the back. But you do what you plan on doing with yours. Yeah, that one's just going to be put on a page. So I kind of varied the sizes, and I love the way they turned out. They look so springy. And basically what she did, and I'll try to link her video, is she took an 8.5 by 11 cardstock, and you just fold it in thirds to get you'll get 3 cards. And then you fold up the bottom, and there's your pocket. And then you're going to add the digital of your choice around so that it seals these ends. It's so much fun and relaxing. I hope you get a chance to try that. I just love the way these turned out, and I didn't have time to make more than 4, but I plan on making a lot of these. Okay, so that's what I've been doing in there. And I had requests for well, I don't know about that one, but I had requests for this journal flip through, which I can do very quickly. But I also wanted to show you that after Angie's Happy Mail, I just started sewing using those quilts, the quilt scraps, and then loading them with laces and trims and some antique photos. I had fun. Now these might go in a kit, or they might go in a Happy Mail. I haven't decided yet. I love this picture. Yeah. So I made these all different sizes. Of course, this won't go in now. There. And let's see. In this one, some of these I put pockets in the front, and some I did not. Some I did not. And then here's another one. And then I made these 2 pouches, and I'm not done decorating them, but I just put some old pictures in there to show you. You could keep jewelry in there, your religious, medals in there. Nice little gift, and it just takes zip, zip, zip on the sewing machine. I was just zipping along making these. I loved how they turned out. I really, really do. So Angie, again, thank you for your inspiration. And then I will show you the journals, and then I will show you a recent journal supply shop that I found. You guys may have known about it. But this was a journal that I just kept putting aside, putting aside. I didn't know how to finish it. And one day I sat in here and oh, that looks like it's about to rip. It just flowed so beautifully. I was like, why can't that always be the way it goes? But it doesn't. Some days we struggle, and some days it just all happens. So I love these photos. They're from, oh my goodness, just flew out of my head. Art House. I will link her. I'm sorry. I meant to write these all down. But her photos are just, they're just really touching. I really like them. And I added this lace, this trim rather. It's up netting. And let's just open it up. And inside is another one of her photos. And all of my, if I stick a photo in, you can write on the back. You can use it as a card, journaling card. So there are various digitals in here, but I just added some lace trim there. And in this pocket, I added her. And there's some original ephemera in here. I'll go fast. I don't want to take up all your day. And here is a pocket tag I made. And that reminds me that I went to Hobby Lobby. It's not nice to have a Hobby Lobby so close to you. Walked around for hours. And anyway, there's a lot of room in here to add or write. It turned out pretty nice. And colors. And I even made a little booklet. And you can write in here as well. All blank pages. Yeah. Got that. And then here, I just made a little scrap piece. Added a little ribbon. Don't want to go so fast that it's all a blur. There we go. And it's basically beige and blue. B&B. I think I added a real stamp there. And you open this up and it's a place to write. This one is the little lamb. I believe this kit was her Easter kit, but I didn't care. I love the images. And this blue is just beautiful. And then this is on the page. It's not loose. And these back pages, I may add some lace or something. I just realized that they look very plain. So there you have the blue, ladies in blue. See if I can get that to tie. Not so nice, but it's okay. And then this one, I think I must have been working on because I had a lot of comments. I hope you do a flip through. And then this journal is, let's see, 8 by 4. And then this little journal is only almost 7 inches by 3.5. And this one turned out very pretty as well. I'll just be quiet and let you look. And then this is a belly band, I see. It's like lace on lace. It's pretty. Sometimes when you haven't worked in one and you're holding it, you don't remember. Why is everything sticking today? I don't even know what this... Oh, this is a place to write. And then here's another booklet. You know I love my booklets. Gives you a place to write or store things, or maybe finish it, making it a journal of your own. Oh, here's another empty pocket. Okay. Here's another little booklet. Oh, it's just a little scrap pad that I use some beautiful ribbon. I don't know if this is from Lavish Laces. I can't remember. But she has gorgeous laces. Another pocket I need to fill. And then I added some lace on that nice pink. These are just some antique book pages from Jacqueline of Souvenir de France. And I added the little round images. And I love this part. Yeah, just a little flip through. Another booklet. It's colorful, it's feminine, and I will be offering it up soon. Oh, I love the way this one turned out. I really, really do. I just need to fill in some more. But then, now I'll show you my newest find. They came up on my Instagram feed. It's called A House of Books. Right there, can you see? www.ahouseofbooks.com. You will not be disappointed. Lots of good stuff in this website. And they're on Instagram, and they may be on Facebook, but I don't have a Facebook account. Nope, not my thing. Okay, so here is what I ordered. They have bags of, you know, your book bindings. I mean, look at that. I live for that. And I thought I have to see what they give me. You know, every bag would be different, but look at this one. This one is gorgeous. So I can't wait to use these. I have a stack that I've been saving when I take a book apart, but I just thought that was a great price for a bag of them. And then these are called travel journal refills. So what they are they're just the coffee or tea stain blank pages, and I could just make a journal out of this. You get 2 in the pack. I just thought that was a great idea, and if I'm trying to put a journal together real quickly, I could use this and add the images and colors of my choice. And then I thought I ordered something else, but I ordered some book pages. You get music. It's always a variety. I mean, I have a lot of French ones, but I need to incorporate, you know, the American book pages. And I reordered a lot of the bookends because I love the patina on these. You can just order the bookends, which are plain, or maybe they have a title on them. But I mean, just a great selection of book pages. Because, you know, sometimes you need a lot of book pages. So that's what I got from A House of Books. I hope you check them out. And I thought I got something else from them, but I can't see it because my room is a mess. Okay, ladies, that's today. And next week, Thursday, will be my Sam Poole Designs but I wanted to show you what came from our tomato bush. We planted like maybe, these are grape, I think, yeah, these are grape tomatoes. So we, you know, I buy these and put them in the salad or make a little quiche, and I put them, cut them up and put them in there. And so I said to my husband, I go, oh, these are old, I'm just going to throw them away. And he's like, well, let's plant them. And that thing has been giving us all these glorious grape tomatoes. And every morning we pick some. And they're little. Look how little. Some of them are just tiny. Look how tiny they are. You just pop them in your mouth. But anyway, I thought I'd share that with you because as soon as our weather gets super hot, we won't be having any of these tomatoes. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching, you guys. And I hope you found some inspiration. And I will be back next week, Thursday, with my sample design. Thanks. Bye-bye.